start before the beginning of time. There's no point of reference. You spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonder of life. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies are born. In the vapor of your breath, the planets form. If the stars were made to worship small light, I can see your heart, everything you made. Every burning star, a single fire of grace. Creation sings your praises for life. Galaxies born in the vapor of your breath, the planets stars were made to worship small.
Hi, good morning you guys, CimplyCeCe here and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can tell from the video, I'm going to attempt to do my very first gym vlog, you guys. I have shared that I got a gym membership. My husband surprised me with a gym membership. So I have been going to the gym about 3 days a week and more if I have time, but definitely about at least no less than 3 times a week. And this is one of my days I'm going to go, you guys. And I'm starting a little, dragging a little bit because I'm tired. I started taking BCAA and I just could not sleep last night. But before I get into all of that, I wanted to say hello to any of my new subscribers, you guys. Hello, my name is CimplyCeCe and welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video. And here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I'm also currently on my sister-in-law journey. So if you're interested in any of those things, please be sure to hit that like button if you enjoy and subscribe to your girl's channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And I would love to have you here. And all of my returning subscribers, hey girl, how are you doing? Let's get into this video. So, now that that is out the way and I said hello to everyone, I'm starting out low because I could not sleep last night, you guys. So I feel really, really drained. I didn't plan on going, but today is a day that my mother-in-law was coming to hang out with the girls. So I'm going to go ahead and go because I'm up now and I'm feeling like, okay, I could probably do it. And I really want to get this video out for you guys. So what I'm going to do right now, I was going to show you guys washing my face and everything, but like I said, it's kind of last minute that I decided to go ahead and go. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to put on this outfit real quick. It is just a Nike sports bra that's backwards because I'm on my phone, and some Nike leggings. I'm going to wear that today, and a little blue overshirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then we're gonna go make some shakes and get our BCAA mixture together. So I'll be back in a minute.
I searched to the earth for something that could satisfy. A piece for the hurt I had buried deep inside. Knees on the floor, I finally found everything I need. You lifted my soul and opened up my eyes. I never knew anything lasts forever till I found. I never dreamed anything could be better.
afternoon